Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are doing a new series. I'm not sure if I've done any series, like a series before. I think this is my first series, or is it? No, 15-minute series. It's not my first. So, in this video, we're going to be learning to make a Discord bot. So, a few months ago, I made a tutorial on how to make Discord rich presents, where I made custom Discord rich presents. But there's one more thing you can code in Discord, which is a bot. So in this video, we're just going to be setting up our bot, so let's get right into it. So first, we're going to create a folder on our desktop called Discord bots, something like that. My file explorer is lagging a lot. So inside this folder, let's create another folder called something that represents our bot, and I already have example bot for some reason. I made like 2 failed tutorials on making a Discord bot, but I hope this one is successful. So we'll call this example bot 3. And yeah, this is going to be example bot 3. I'm just going to call it that. So next, we'll need to go to our web browser and type in discord.com/developers. It should bring you to a page like this. Oh, there's example bot. Some rich presents I made, but failed. So we'll just hit new application. Then what the heck is that? Example bot, let's do 3. So example bot 3, and then create. Now for an icon, what the heck is that? Okay, that's just some oh, this was when I was making the killer monkey emote, so let's just make it a monkey. And now we go to the bot tab and click add bot. Yes, do it. And it should automatically get the icon and name. So you want to enable these two, and before I say anything else, I should probably say that once your bot reaches 100 or more servers, this will require verification and whitelisting. So when you get 75 servers for your bot, it'll have to be verified to join more servers, and once it reaches 100 servers and you've not verified it, you can't verify it anymore. So these are the permissions that our bot needs for some commands. I'm just gonna ask for the administrator permission, which is just every single perm here. So I'm gonna ask for that administrator permission. We need to remember this. So I already know it's 8. So, also here, this is a public bot. We're gonna make mine a private bot, but actually, let's just make it public. Public means, it can be added by anyone, but private means only you can add it. Now go to the OAuth 2 tab and click bot, then click administrator. Then we can copy this, paste it in our browser, and it goes to a page like this. So we can just add this to bot testing, continue, authorize, and then we'll have to do the CAPTCHA. I really hate CAPTCHAs. 2 example bots. Why did OBS just get out of here? Okay, so as you can see, this is my old example bot, and then this is example bot 3. So, yeah, let's just keep setting it up. So inside our bots folder, up here, let's click that and type in cmd. This will open up a window just like this. Why did my OBS hide again? No clue why. And now this, oh no, that's the second command we need to type. So first, we'll have to type in npm init, and Now our package name, this does not matter, and we'll do example dash bot dash 3, and it has to contain only URL friendly characters like example dash bot dash 3. Version, this does not matter. Description, bot for my tutorial. Not sure if I spelled that correct. So now type in index.js for our entry point test command, nodemon index.js. All of this stuff will be in the description. And then we can skip git repository and keywords. Author Sid, please. Then we can leave the license alone and then just hit enter if that is correct. So then here we'll have a file called package.json. Now this is a ridiculously long command, so I'm gonna just let you paste it from the description. So once you've pasted in the command, just hit enter. This may take a few minutes depending on your computer's performance. I already have some of these installed, so it just skips the installation. So now I believe we can just close out of that. Then here there will be 2 new files and directories, node modules and package lock.json. So now let's set up our workspace. So for my IDE, I will be using Visual Studio Code. So you can use something else. I recommend Visual Studio Code. It's really good. You can also use things like Sublime Text. I really like that also. So let's start by going here into this folder, and we might have to like refresh it or whatever. Then, okay. Now let's just copy that file path. Now here, click open folder. Paste in that file path there. Click select folder. And right here, a lot of pop-ups are coming up here. So we can just go to like the package.json. Wow, this is a lot. And yeah, so to start up our bot, we'll need some files. So I'm gonna do start.dat. I feel like, yeah, let's just use that command. I mean name, and then we'll do @echo off echo bot starting, and then nodemon index.js. So this, and then we'll do pause, so if our bot crashes or something, we can see the error. That might be a bit useless, but let's just do it anyway. So then we'll create a file called index.js. So here, inside here, we'll need to import a bunch of stuff, define a ton of variables. So I am just going to paste this in. All of this will be on my GitHub. Okay, so for now, this is all we're gonna define. We will be defining some more later. And let me first explain what all of this is. So these are all of the dependencies that we need to import. Then this is the token. So before I forget, I'm going to go onto the bots developer portal, go to bots, and then click copy. Do not share your token with anyone. I don't really mind if I show my token, because anyway, this is just a demonstration bot, and I don't really care. I'm just gonna delete the bot after I'm done with this tutorial. So we can just paste in our token there. This is the prefix, and I'm gonna make it a $, since for some reason I like that. Then these are some other variables. So let's just save that. Now we are going to do some more startup stuff. Okay, this is a lot of the startup stuff like web server and a bunch of things. So now if we want to start up our bot, we can go here and run the start.bat. And as you can see in Discord, example bot 3, yep, it is online, but it does not have a status, so let's give it a status. So you can actually keep that command prompt window open, because it'll restart whenever we make some changes. So now I'm going to define everything that happens when the bot is ready. Run when bot is ready. And again, this is pretty long, so I'm going to paste it in. So all of this, it occurs, it just runs whenever the bot is ready. As you can see, bot.on ready. Bot is, so like, this happens when the bot is ready. So what this will do is it will log in the console how many servers the bot is running on. And then this is the status. You can add some things, separate each thing by a comma. Why am I saying things? Now status number, don't mess with this. This is the function for change status, all of this stuff. Now set interval, do not mess with this part, but this is, if you have multiple statuses defined, this is the amount of milliseconds when the status will change. And this is in milliseconds, which is 1 second. 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. And this is the function, so don't worry about this stuff. Now this is type. We can do playing. Now this will say playing Sid's code, playing some music. We can also do watching. You can do watching Sid's code, watching some music. That does not make sense. Watching some music, what the heck? Then we can do listening, then listening to Sid's code, listening to some music. That definitely makes sense. We can also do streaming. We can do streaming Sid's code, streaming some music. And if you're doing streaming, we can do URL. And this has to be a Twitch URL. So I think I'm gonna make mine listening because it makes sense. So now I guess we're done setting the status. So now we will define everything that will run when a message is sent. So I will let you paste this in from my GitHub because this is a bit long. So all this does is it checks that the author of the message is not a bot and the message is not sent in a direct message channel. So then do not touch these, and just wait for the next episode if you want to learn how to make your own command. So if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.